Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how you can redeem your Insta Gaming gift card. So friends, if you want to redeem gift card, for example, you have a gift card on your order My Purchase. If you go to your My Purchase here and you have a gift card, all you have to do, go to your accounts from here, scroll down, you will see this option, redeem a gift card. When you click this redeem a gift card, in this case, received in Insta Gaming gift card, enter your code below to find your accounts. So just write your code in your gift card you can get your code through My Purchase. When you go to My Purchase from here, you have purchase here and you will see gift card. So Insta Gaming gift card, you can see like this one gift card. So you can see this gift card. Just wait, this is the gift card. When you buy a gift card, you can redeem directly from this section and click send. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content. Just if you want to buy card, click add to cart, complete your process and redeem here. Thanks.